What's up, guys? This is Daniel in Houston and DJ from Arms Family Homestead, and we are going onto the kayak at the lake.
I said don't tell them about the kayak yet, but you done ruined the surprise. Houston is no longer boatless, are you? What do you think, Houston?
Cool.
Cool. So we found us a kayak online, and I'll tell you what we bought and why we bought it. Let me flip this camera around and talk to you about it for just a second. So tell us about what you bought there, woman.
I have no idea what we bought.
Oh.
It's a kayak.
Well, we bought a Jackson.
Kayak.
Jackson Kayaks Big Tuna. And the reason we picked this one, well, first off, we found it for a good price on Facebook Marketplace. But it's a two-person kayak, so
Yeah.
this is the front seat and
That's
that's the back seat. The cool thing about the front seat is it'll actually, well, I've got it strapped in, it'll spin around, so you can do both forward-facing or you can face each other. So it'd be awesome for kayaking around with a little guy like Houston.
Yeah, I can sit.
Ooh, that water's cool.
Hello. Nothing.
It's time for the maiden voyage. I guess not maiden voyage. We got it out in the pond the other day and caught a fish out of it, but this is the first time we've had it on the lake. And I had all these great plans of bringing the drone and flying the drone around us as we go up the creek, because we're going to be paddling up the creek that goes towards our house. It's actually the same creek that runs across our driveway. It was going to be epic. It was going to be awesome. Get here, reached in the back seat to grab the drone. I guess my wife forgot it laying on the table at home.
Really? Really? No.
That's all I can figure,
That was
because
all you.
I wouldn't have forgot it. So you just, now you're just stuck with iPhone footage while we're in the kayak.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, y'all look cozy.
We are.
Yeah.
Don't whack me.
I'm not gonna whack you, boy.
Good job. You're not doing much
Hey.
paddling.
I'm trying not to get hit in the head by this fishing pole.
Am I starting to throw better, Daddy?
Yeah, you're getting a lot better.
So
Slow your reeling down just a little bit. You don't have to reel it that fast.
You did.
Looky there, you caught a sand bass.
What?
Here, don't reel it up so far. Don't reel it up quite so far.
My first one.
Let the line out. Let it out, let it out.
First.
You caught a sand bass. He's like a, uh-oh, he's pooping.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, I lost it. Well, that was a bummer. Houston caught him a a little bitty sand bass, and he was pooping on me, so I was like, hey, I'm gonna rinse him off real quick and hand him to Houston. And then I blew it. Dropped the fish. Houston's first fish in the kayak.
Mad at you. I was trying to get a bite. Oh,
Oh. I saw it.
I felt the bite.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a bass. It's
Oh,
a bass. Get in the boat.
Get it in the boat, they
Okay,
said.
Houston, let go of it. Here.
Where y'all going over there?
Ah.
I totally missed all that. But we got a fish, Houston. Looky there, buddy.
that's giant. Can we keep him? Can we keep him?
We're not keeping that bass right now. We're going to Nana's to eat chili tonight. Oh, look at there, dude.
Big.
You there?
Let me get this lure out of his mouth. Let's swap out here, buddy. Here, you hold your fish.
Ow, it got sharp teeth.
No, we don't. Just grab his lips.
Put your thumb in there and pinch down.
Pinch it hard.
Oh, yeah.
Ow, 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 ow.
Hold him up. Put your other hand under his belly. Come on. Fisherman. Good job, Houston.
Let's
Set him
throw
back down in the water easy.
Oh, he's big. He's big. Oh.
Woo! He gave you one last wave goodbye. Good job, Houston. Give me knuckles, boy. Good job, buddy. So I don't know if you guys noticed what was going on here or not. Houston caught a fish. Now look, He catches a fish, and Mom's like, let me hold your fishing pole, son. Let me hold that for you.
That's right. That's how you do it, really. He's taking a break, see? He had to get a drink after that big old workout.
Right. Big workout. He caught that fish literally, like, right at the boat. He thought he was hung up.
Yeah, I sure did.
Look at there.
I can't let Houston show me up. Dad's got to catch a few fish, too. Look at there. Houston, my sand bass is bigger than yours. Not as big as your bass was, but, I'm a reel in the water. I am not an expert at this whole kayak thing yet.
Jeez, Dad.
There's definitely a learning curve here.
It's all right. I'm hung up over here, so y'all just take care of that.
You're hung up?
Yeah, to the left.
Oh my God.
Look at there.
Nice.
Something, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not, but something tried to eat this fish.
Yeah.
See that big cut on his side, Houston?
Oh, that's not good.
Like a blue heron, not a herring. Maybe it was a blue heron tried to catch him. All right, let's let him go. Ready?
Yeah.
See you, little sand bass. Swim away.
You win. Bye-bye.
What's the problem?
Zip it.
Zip it.
Why aren't we fishing?
All I was until I got hung up.
On the rocks. Into the grass right over there. What's that right
Mom caught a mountain, Houston.
I got a mountain. Let's see y'all do that.
What's that
I'm
right
pretty sure
there?
this little guy just got hung up in a tree a while ago.
Well, that is you.
Got one. Let's see. Oh,
What you got?
Sand
Oh,
bass.
that ain't a little fish, Mom. You said it was little.
I thought it was little.
Looky there. Sand bass are in the creek, aren't they, Houston?
Yeah.
Are you ready? I need you to get him for me.
Why me?
Ooh, get him.
Yeah.
Check it out. Mom caught a sand bass.
And so did I.
Houston caught a little sand bass. I caught a big one, and Mom caught a big sand bass. Or white bass. Somebody's gonna correct us. They're officially white bass.
Wow.
They're not a wine bass. They're a white bass. What were you doing? You were going wah.
Yeah.
All right, let's throw him back. He gone. Is Houston gonna get the fish anymore?
I guess.
Give me that pole.
Changed up the seating position. Had too much weight too far forward, and it was making it hard for Dad to paddle. Asleep?
Yeah.
You're catching fish and Houston's asleep?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Now what you gonna do?
Oh no. Oh. I'm gonna give it to you.
Well, my pole's hung up. Gee, thanks. Just what I wanted.
You betcha.
A fish slap.
Did it slap you?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Look at there. Aren't they pretty? Good job, Mom.
You betcha.
I'm gonna hold the camera like we're taking a, picture for you. Except it's just the back of your head.
The back of my head. I can't go anywhere. Well, we lost this guy. He gone. He had a big day playing with Kobe. Now, I'm pretty sure it's your turn to catch a fish.
Hey, somebody's got to drive the boat, see?
Oh, all I hear is
We're under-
excuses, remember?
We're
'Cause
under manpower here.
I'm the competitive one, remember?
That's right, see, so
Excuses back there.
they measure motors by horsepower. Well, this boat's one Dan power.
Mm-hmm.
Holy smokes.
Uh-oh. Did you get one? I heard it.
Yeah.
Oh, Dad's got one.
Look at there. Got one. Wow. I'm just driving the boat.
Mm-hmm.
Look at him. Oh, yeah. Houston is missing out now.
I can't see it. Hang on.
It's
Where's
like
it at?
It's like date night for us. Looky there. Oh, this one's a drum. That one's not a sand bass.
Oh, yeah.
That's what you call a drum in Oklahoma.
That one's a little ugly.
Yeah.
Good job.
So it's a trash fish. They call these drum, or they don't call them drum, We call them drum in Oklahoma, but they're a trash fish. Everybody says they're no good to eat. But one of these days, we're gonna do a drum catch, clean, and cook, just to see. But I know you can cut their head open, and they've got like rocks in their head. There are 2 little stones in there.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Well, I've never eaten one, so one of these days, I'm gonna catch and cook one. They're a weird little fish. Strange looking. Trash fish, feeds off everything on the bottom. See, their mouth is kind of,
All right.
oh, faces
Hey,
down.
hey, babe.
There he went.
My hand's killing me. I'm
All
glad
right,
he.
that was enough talking.
I'm glad he abandoned ship.
Let's get to paddling.
Got another one?
Heck yeah, Houston's missing out. This one's bigger. Ooh.
What'd you get?
I don't know yet. I think it's a sand bass. He's fighting like crazy though. Yeah, sand bass. Nice one.
Ooh,
Get up here. Look, he's there.
real
Man.
nice.
It's too bad your mom cooked chili for us tonight, because we would have been having fish had we known. I really didn't expect to come out here and catch any fish. Oh, look. Look. Here's what they're feeding on.
Oh.
He has 2 of them in his mouth. There's one right there. Look down in his mouth. See that? They're feeding on shad. Pretty cool. Let's let him go. All right. I'm trying to make it back to the truck. I really am.
All right, look at all this. Look at this poor guy. And all the movement and trying to fish.
Put him to sleep, did we?
Well, the hat has now covered his face. Doggone it. Hey, bud. Houston. Hey. Hey.
Wake up, man. The
Hey.
fishing trip's over.
Gotta wake up. We gotta get out of the kayak. Hey, wake up, baby.
Well, I guess our first official real kayak trip in the new kayak. Not new, used. We don't buy new very often.
Hey,
This is the Jackson Kayaks Big Tuna 2-seater.
go wake up.
First
Wake up,
trip
eat
is
it
officially
now.
in the books.
Come on.
And I don't know how many fish you think we caught.
I don't know, probably 10.
10. 10's like a good number. We caught.
Yeah.
Houston caught a real nice black bass, a whole bunch of sand bass, that drum. I mean, that's a success right there.
Yeah,
It was a lot of fun.
it was. It was
Still have
fun.
both arms. I'm going to be sore for paddling for 2. And I promise you, I'm going to be buying another paddle really soon.
Hey, bud.
That way my wife can paddle too. Well, we made it back home. I call that a success. What do you think, Houston? Did you get you a little nap in? Are you excited? You told us the other day in the car after we sold the boat, you said, Dad, there is no way I can not have a boat. Will this work now? We can go out and catch a few fish and have some fun. A lot cheaper than a big boat. Don't have to buy gas.
Yes.
Anything you want to say?
So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next video.
Well,
Peace out.
I guess he was ready to end the video.